17 pallets of Home Depot liquidation items. What's up guys, this is Sam and welcome back to my channel. Today I have some very exciting news that I want to share with you all, and that is that I just won the auction for 17 pallets of Home Depot liquidation items. I bought these 17 pallets hoping that I will make a pretty hefty profit on them, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys what the items are and what I plan on doing to make this profit. So stay tuned because all of that is coming right up. To begin, I found these items through a guy that I know here locally. He has been doing this for a long time and he was kind enough to help me get started in this business as well. So currently I don't have access to the auction that he uses to purchase these items. I just have him as my go-to guy who kind of facilitates the transactions for me. But eventually, once I do get access to the auction, I will share with you guys how it works and what I do to place these bids and win these auctions. But today's video isn't going to be about that. Today's video is going to be about me kind of showing you guys or telling you guys about the 17 pallets that I just won. So basically these 17 pallets are all Home Depot hardware and tools. They're going to be a mix of shelf pull items, returned items, and some used items as well. And there's also a few new items mixed in there too that weren't able to sell or just aren't in demand anymore. But overall, these 17 pallets have about 1,200 items in them. I purchased this 17 pallets for $8,000, and if you do the math, it comes down to about $7 to $8 per item is what it cost me to purchase all of this. So now what I plan on doing moving forward with these 17 pallets is that I'm going to be posting the items either on eBay or on Amazon, sites like Craigslist, Facebook Market, OfferUp, and Let Go also are really good places for me to be able to sell these items to. And what I was also told is that for some items, if I want to get rid of them really fast, is to go to my local swap meet here in San Diego. Now, with the swap meet, I know there's some regulations involved with it, such as you have to have a business license to be able to sell. Otherwise, you only get access to it maybe once or twice a year. So that's something that I'm going to be working towards getting, is a business license, so I can start attending these swap meets more often and kind of sell these products faster so I can go ahead and buy some more in the future. Now, these products are supposed to get here this week. I was told that they'll be arriving here on Wednesday. So once they do arrive, I'll make another video, like a part 2 video, kind of showing you guys what the items are and yeah, what I kind of plan on doing with them once I get them and move them from one warehouse to my storage unit and start from there. But anyways guys, that is the news for today. I'm really excited to kind of get started with this. This has been something that I've wanted to do for a long time. I've been searching online for auctions and doing just research on where I can find cheap bulk products, and lucky for me, I found someone who was able to help me get started with it. So I wanted to share that with you guys and kind of keep you guys posted on how this goes for me, and hopefully motivate you guys and inspire you guys to get started in this kind of venture as well. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video where I'll show you guys the products that I get. Until then, goodbye.